Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. A pile is a structural member driven into the ground for the purpose of transferring the surface load either to a deep situated stratum or to a mass of the soil surrounded the pile. The process of pile driving involves lifting the pile into the position and holding it to a specific depth. Driving is done through the hammering the pile top with a hammer. Pile driving is added in a number of the project for one or the more purposes, like to affect the cut of seepage water, to consolidate soft low density soil, and to transmit a load through a soil formation having a poor subportioning properties into a such stratum which are capable of supporting the load by bearing or friction or both. The pile driving equipments are designed in a such a way that the pile are driven effectively at an economical cost. Some of the major pile driving equipments are pile driving ridge and pile driving hammers. The pile driving operation consists of a lifting and holding the pile in a position, hammering it into the ground and guide it accurately to the desired directions of the movement, which is performed using a driving ridge. The driving ridge should be strong and stable and able to move in a soft ground. It should be provided satisfactory arrangement for the working of the hammers, and the hammer should be delivered the blow axially. There are three types of the ridge generally used for the pile driving, like skid mounted ridge, crane mounted ridge, and floating ridge. The skid mounted ridge are equipped with the nail wheels or with the long steel rollers for the movement. It consists of a strongly built base constructed of the steel sections and mounted on a four rail wheels or two long rollers for the movement. Jacking screws are provided for the leveling purpose. Base mounting consists of a ladders, the winches with the prime movers, and the boilers or the compressor. The sheaves are provided at the top of the ladders for lifting the piles and lifting the hammer. Crane mounted ridge are used when the large number of the piles have to be driven in a comparatively small area. The advantages of this type of the ridge is that it can be moved to any place where the pile have to be driven. But the main disadvantage is its inability to handle long, heavy piles and heavy driving hammers. Floating ridge is used when the pile have to be driven underwater. This ridge has to be specially constructed by mounting the pile driver on the barge. The main function of the pile driving hammer is to furnish the energy required to drive the pile into the soil by dropping from a height. The weight of the hammer varies from 225 kg to 1350 kg, and the drop height varies from 1.5 meter to 6 meter. A heavy hammer with a small drop gives more satisfactory result than a small hammer with a large drop. The different type of the hammer used for the driving the piles are drop hammer, single acting hammer, double acting hammer, differential acting hammer, hydraulic hammer, diesel hammer, vibrating hammers, and sonic hammer.